Well, hey, y'all. I want to ask y'all something. Y'all know things can happen out there and I not know about it or be aware of it. And y'all know my computer skills are not, who's the best at computer, Eddie?
Here?
No.
Oh, ever?
Who?
I mean,
in the universe.
In the
In
universe.
our,
Bill Gates.
Bill
Bill
Gates.
Gates.
Yeah.
I'm no Bill Gates.
Me neither.
You neither. Well, have y'all ever heard of TikTok? I'm sure y'all have. I've just recently heard of it, y'all. And there was a recipe on there that went viral. Savannah, Georgia. I know for sure out here on Wilmington Island, you could not get feta cheese in a block. It was sold out. And when Teresa went to buy the groceries for us to try this recipe and see what all the hoopla is about, the man said, "Are you trying to make that recipe on TikTok?" And she said, "What? Yes, I am." He said, "Everybody on Wilmington Island is trying to make it." And we're out. We're out of block feta.
They're saying 500 million people, or 500,000 people are searching.
500,000.
500,000, 500,000 people are searching for this recipe.
Are searching for this recipe. So I was thinking maybe there's some of y'all left out there, kind of like me, that doesn't know everything and how to get to everything. So I'm going to share this recipe with those that have not been exposed to it, and
you're taste testing it too.
Yeah, I'm going to taste test it because we've been cooking pasta in olive oil and tomatoes forever, so it seems like a real simple recipe, y'all. And you're going to use 2 boxes of I'm about to lose my handles. So I'm going to add 2 boxes of cherry tomatoes that you find in your produce section. And now I'm going to add, I forgot to get my, here's one. Like 2 cloves of fresh minced garlic and a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And salt and pepper. And it calls for red pepper flakes too, y'all. And I'm just wondering if maybe the triplets wouldn't eat this. Because they do love pasta. So I'm kind of afraid of the red pepper flakes. What do you think, Eddie?
Yeah, I would say no on the red pepper flakes.
You can add those all yourself.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
If somebody wants to spice it up.
Yes, now us big folks would probably love it.
I don't. So
You
I'm
don't?
glad you're not
Okay.
But I wasn't going to say anything.
Okay. Does this have parsley or anything?
You're going to put some basil in it at the end, but no.
Okay.
That's it.
This is it. I feel like I need to add those red pepper flakes just so we'd have some ingredients. Well, now we are going to put our block of feta. If I can get it open. Come on. These scissors wouldn't cut hot butter, y'all. There. All right, so we're just gonna lay that right there in the middle. And then it says to top with a splash more of olive oil. That's more than a splash. That's not a splash. And a few cranks of fresh pepper. So I'm just going to do a little crank of olive oil. And now we're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees, preheated oven, 400 degrees. For 30 minutes, is it, Teresa?
30 minutes.
We're going to bake it for 30 minutes.
And we're going to make our pasta. We're going to make some pasta while we're doing it.
And in the meantime, I've got some hot water going over here because after it gets through baking those 30 minutes, we're gonna fold in some bow tie pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that ready. So tick-tock, dickory-dock. Okay, y'all, I'm looking at this TikTok recipe. It's been 30 minutes, and now they tell us to bump it up to 450 for 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, it's been in the oven a total of 40 minutes. So that looks very good, doesn't it? We've got our bow tie pasta ready. So I'm actually gonna put the pasta into a big bowl. Whoa! And remember, Paula, that this pan's hot. Okay, thank you, Paula, for reminding me. Are y'all answering yourselves yet? So we're just gonna pour all that in and toss it. Toss it, toss it, toss it. We're gonna toss it. There we go. Now we're gonna toss it. Look at that feta. Well, it looks just delicious, y'all. But I have to say, it looks like many, many, many other Italian dishes that we've made over the years that are just easy. It really, really looks good. And I love the idea of baking that feta, you know, until it's brown like that. So I can't wait to taste.
Think of all the things you could add with it.
Oh my
Now,
gosh.
you put some basil with it.
Oh yeah, I do need to cut some basil. Does it say how much did they
Just
chop?
as a handful chopped.
A handful chopped.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, that basil's gonna make it. And I'm sure this didn't get washed, did it?
It did not.
So I'll make sure I wash it good. And I'm not gonna try to ship a knot or anything like that. I'm just gonna chop, 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 chop. Looks good, doesn't it, Teresa? And this basil is just gonna be the butter on top of the cream. Why'd you quit stirring, Teresa?
Well, because I was just trying to get the tomatoes up.
All right, let's see. Oh
Wow,
my
look at all the
goodness.
colors.
You know, I really can see why the block of feta, because I was thinking before I saw the recipe, you know, you can find feta chunks and all of that, so, but now I get it. Now y'all, Eddie, Teresa, I'm not getting out just one fork. Because poor Teresa, how many days did you have to shop?
2 days to find this feta. But the funny
But it
thing
was
is,
over a 4-day span, wasn't it?
oh yeah. It wasn't an easy process, mind you.
So tell me, I think this just screams for shrimp.
Oh my God. That is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. And that's easy.
Really, all we need is some French bread.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
You go, TikTok. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.